Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 35 of our challenge, Saved Posts. In this challenge, you'll learn how to save a post of people that you are following and then how to access those saved posts in the future. Before we do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. All right, let's get started. Sometimes when you're scrolling through your Instagram feed, you find things that inspire you, whether it's something you want to do later, apply to your business, or maybe it's inspiring you to create a similar post in the future. You want to make sure that you can easily find that again and not have to remember who it was and hunt down that post later on. So to do that, we're going to use that bookmark feature I mentioned yesterday. All right, so I am in my account. I'm just in my feed. We're scrolling through, looking for something cool. All right, that's a nice little picture of a house. I'm in a real estate account right now. Something inspirational. Look at all these great things happening in real estate. All right, let's save this guy here. So let's say I really love, so here's before and after, and I think HGTV did a great job staging this home and kind of showing some cool home decor ideas. So I'm going to start by tapping this little bookmark icon here, and that will save it so that I can find it later. Now what you'll notice is when I click it, there's an option to save to collection. So I'm going to tap that Save to Collection button. And this is similar to using a Pinterest board. So you can see I already have some created, some collections here. I'm going to tap Home Decor, and that will save it right into that collection for me later. So it keeps all my home decor stuff nice and organized. So for collections, you could do something like I said right here, I'm in a real estate account. You could do a collection on market stats, home decor, closing gifts ideas, anything like that. Just to kind of keep it organized so that if you have a ton of stuff that you have saved, it's easy to come back and find something in particular. So if you just hit save, it won't go into a collection. There's just a batch of saves that aren't labeled as anything in particular. So let's say I want to save this Illinois Realtor post, and I don't have a collection I want to put it in. I can just tap the bookmark, and when it's filled in with the black, it's been saved. Now let's say I want to add another collection. So I have something that I've come across that I really like, but I haven't started a collection for it in particular, and I think that I probably will want to because I seem to like this type of stuff a lot. So maybe I want to do like kitchens specifically, or if I really like this closed graphic here and I want to use that style, I want to kind of recreate that style for me in the future, I could save that. Here's a quote. Oh, we were looking for a quote on yesterday's challenge. Well, now we found a good one. So maybe that could be a good collection to start. I'm going to go ahead and hit bookmark and do save to collection. And I want to actually create a collection just on quotes. So all I have to do is tap the little plus sign right here. I'm going to tap that, and then I can title it Quotes. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit save, and that has saved that image, and it started that new collection. So some people ask me, can anybody see my collections? And the answer is no. This, in regards to when I mentioned it's like Pinterest earlier, this part is not. All of your collections are private to you. They're just for you to come back and check out later. So now that we've saved some things, you probably want to know how you can get back to them so that you don't have to hunt through this feed every time you're trying to find something that struck your fancy. So to do that, you're going to go to your profile, and then you're just going to tap the three bars at the top in the right corner, and you'll see one of the options labeled as saved. So just tap saved. And you'll see the first one here is all the posts I've saved, and then the rest are my collections that I've created. So quotes is that brand new one I made. Home decor has all the home decor stuff I've already saved, so you can see there's 4 in there. And then holidays, that's a fun one. If I see a holiday post that I, maybe missed this year and I want to keep for next year, I just add it to that little collection there. So when you tap on it, you can open the original post again. So you're not limited to just the picture. If I tap on it, I can see exactly what they said about it. I can see the hashtags they used, and then it takes me to their feed as well. Okay, so that is how you save, make a collection, and then get back and find those items that you saved for later. So go ahead and tell me in the comments what content you want to be saving, what collection you think you'll be making as you're scrolling through your feed. That's going to conclude our training for the day, so remember to join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. for our next challenge. I'll see you then.